This line might be a little bit loud. What do you guys think? I think it sounds pretty good though. Alright, I'm about to take Clyde for a danger ride. Just around the loop. I'll get you back in here after I get it out. Alright, here we go. For a short ride maybe, hopefully. It's pretty obnoxious in here, but it's pretty good. I like it. You still got a nasty pull. Still got a nasty pull on those brakes. I'm gonna put this down. I'll get you back in here. It's definitely loud in here. Still got the exhaust hanging underneath this thing too. Still got a nasty pull. We just gotta be easy on it, I guess. It drives a little bit better. Just around the... It doesn't wiggle so much. Not sure how much you guys can hear me. This is gonna be an interesting ride when we take this to the show. All right. I say it's a bit obnoxious, but I really don't care. I can't hear anything else anyway. All right, we're gonna pull it in the garage.